Nasa bansa ang mga bida ng DreamWorks animated movie na Forgotten Island na nakatakdang ipalabas sa mga sinihan sa bansa sa September 23. Sa isang special advance screening ng naturang pelikula, dumating ang mga direktor na sina Joel Crawford at film writer at director Januel Mercado at present din ang dalawang film artist kabilang na ang film at 5-time Grammy winner na si Her at ang international actress na si Liza Soberano. May temang tunay na pagkakaibigan dapat ipaglaban mula sa DreamWorks Animation. Sa Forgotten Island ay makikita ang paglalakbay ng dalawang bidang sina Joe at Raisa sa isang misteryosong portal na nagdala sa kanila sa mahiwagang isla ng Nakali. Dito nila makikita ang iba't ibang mitolohikal na nilalang na kanila lamang napakinggan kay Lola at sa mga kwentong Pilipino.
World to witness how beautiful and how amazing it is and see their incredible animation and Gabby's incredible performance and everyone else's, Miss Leia's performance.
We wanted to make sure that we showed our culture visually through symbolism, and especially that Filipino sun, that our iconic flag is represents us, and as you'll see in the movie, it's throughout the story, and there's a lot of Easter eggs too, and nods to our culture musically, and of course there's lots of food. The crown jewel of any party. We're proudly displaying the lechon, so keep your eyes open for many of these nods to our culture.
Mapapakinggan din sa Forgotten Island ang mga boses ng ilan pang sikat na Pinoy stars na sina Jokoy, Dolly De Leon at Lea Salonga.